How's it going, guys? Welcome back. In this week's episode, we're going to be covering another day of training in Santai. We're going to be opening up with me doing a little bit of photography in a temple that's located right across the street from the school. Hope you guys can enjoy the episode.
This place looks incredible. Like, oh my goodness, I don't want to cuss on these grounds, but man, this place is gorgeous. So I'm gonna chill here for an hour and just try to capture some nice photos. I should probably not. I'll come down. I'm good. Saw a cat up there. Yeah, no thank you. No thank you. That's your spot? It's yours. Take it. Take it. Take it all. I don't want no troubles.
So just be mindful, guys. This area, one time I was walking down, I did get chased by a pit bull, so just be pretty careful when you're going for a jog or you're just walking around this part of Santai. San Kamphaeng, that's what it's called, San Kamphaeng. That's the little town that I was staying at. God damn, bro. Bro, I sound so stupid when I try to give commentary over these videos. I just sound like such a fucking dumb. About the only time I did photography too. Outside of this day, I was just always way too fucking tired to do anything. So I was training and resting. And that's about it.
Yes. Go for it. Record. Kick. No, we're supposed to kick with this part, right? Okay, so. Left. Hands up. Too painful.
Do not recommend you guys doing that shit. I hope you guys were able to enjoy this week's episode. I have to look through the footage to see what next week is gonna be. I'm gonna be covering, but I hope you guys will be there to see it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys then. Take it easy.